children, how are you all? I hope you all are well, right? Okay. Children, in previous class, what we discussed in the textbook part? Yes. In the last class, we completed chapter 2. Numbers up to 100. Right? Textbook part totally over. Are you done the pages? Okay, good. Now, today I am starting textbook pages from chapter 3. What is the chapter? Comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Right, children? Okay. Already you know what is the before numbers, what are the after numbers. Right? Okay. See, look at here, children. What is this? Number line. Yes? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, look at here, children. On the number line, where is the ball? On the number 3. Right? Okay. I am going to next number. I am going to next number. So, I am going to from 3 to 4. Only one step. I am going to next number. Another. I want to go to one more step. And one more step. Yes? So, children, I'm going from 3 to 7. From 3 to 7. That means I'm going to forward. Right? I'm going to forward. Okay? This is called after numbers. Okay, children? This is called after numbers. Like that, see, this is the ball. I'm coming back from that number one step. Only one step. I came back from 3 to 2. Again, I step one back from 3 to 1. So, what is it meaning here? From 3 to 1, I came backward one by one step, right? This is called before numbers. Okay, this is called before numbers. Okay, children? Now, see. First, we start after numbers. Okay, children? After numbers. Already I explained about this topic, right? Just I remind you. Okay? After numbers. See, tell me, children, number 4. What number comes after 4? After. I am telling about after 4. Tell me, children, what is the answer? See, number 4 is there. What is the number after number? 5. So, answer is 5. One more example. 10 after. 10 after. What is it? Which number comes after 10? Yeah, 11. Right? Like that only. Next, before numbers. Before numbers. Now, children, tell me what number comes before 8? What number comes before 8? See, before. I remind you again, before. I am talking about before. So, what number comes before 8? See, look at here. Before number, what number comes here? 7 only. So, answer is 7. Right? One more example. Now, tell me, children, what number comes before 15? Before 15. Now, tell me, before 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See, 15 is here. I am talking about before. Before means backside. Right? So, what is the number? Only I am asking about only number. One number. So, what number? Which number coming? 14. So, 14. Okay, children? Now, between numbers. Next, between numbers. Wait now. Between numbers. See. Now, tell me children. 3-5. What number comes in between? Yeah, you find out. Where is that number 3? It is here. Where is number 5? Yeah, it is here. In that between number, what is this one? 4. Means number 4 comes always in between 3 and 5. Okay, children? Now, one more example. 9-11. Where is it number 9? Yeah, it is here. The number 11 is here. Now, 9-11. Tell me children, in the between number, what number comes in between? Between means middle number, right? So, number 10. That means, number 10 comes always in between 9 and 11. Children, are you understand what are the before numbers? What is the after numbers? What is the in between numbers? Now, bigger one, smaller one, right? Bigger numbers and smaller numbers. Now, look at here children. 15 and 18. Now tell me children, compare these two numbers. Which is a bigger number, which is a smaller number? How can you find out? See, simple. First of all, we can mention place values, ones and tens. Okay children? After that, we compare. We have here 2-digit numbers both of, right? First of all, we compare only tens place numbers only. What are 10 place numbers? Here 1, here also 1. Both sides same number. Then we go to ones place digits. 5 and 8. Which is a big number? 5 or 8? 8 only, no? So, this is the bigger number. Yes, this is the bigger number. So, you can mention bigger. This is the smaller. Okay, children? Are you understand? Now, like that, see. What is this one? Bigger than as well as greater than. We can convey this one. What is this one? This is symbol of greater than. This is symbol of greater than or bigger than. Okay? Now, see. What is this one? This is symbol of smaller than. Okay, children? As well as less than. Okay? Now, this is equal to. What is that? Equal to. Now we discuss greater than. Now, children, see. Now look at here. 23-20. Now, see, look at here, children. How can you find out which is the bigger number? First of all, we can mention place values, ones and tens. First of all, we have both sides 2-digit numbers, no? So, first we can compare tens place numbers only. Here 2, here also 2. Both sides are same number. After that, we go to ones place numbers. Here 3, here 0. Which is a big number? 3. Means 23 is a big number. Right? So, that's why this side is a big number, no? I am showing 2 dots. This is a bigger number, no? I am showing 2 dots. 2 dots. This is a greater than. Okay? Greater than or bigger than. Okay, children? One more example. 48 dash 32. Now tell me children, here both sides are, we have 2 digits. Okay, how can you find this, which is the bigger one? Yeah, first of all you can mention place values. After that compare tens place numbers only. Here 3, here 4, which is a bigger one? 3 or 4, which one? 4. So this is a big number. Okay, now this is a big number now, so I am showing this side only, left side. Left side showing 2 dots. Left side. This is called greater than. Okay children? Now less than. See, less than means now less than means, see, look at here children, 41 dash 52. Okay children? Now see, we have 2 digit numbers. Which is the bigger number? Okay, first of all you consider only what is a bigger number, which side it is there. Okay, left side or right side you can find. Okay, don't confuse. First of all, wherever you find greater than or less than, first of all you think where is the bigger number, left side or right side. Okay, now ones place and tens place, ones place and tens place. Both sides we have 2 digits, no? So we can compare tens place numbers only. Here 4, here 5. Now which is a big number? 5 only, no? So this is a big number. So big number, which side is there? This is left side, this is right side, right? So this is a big number. So I am showing 2 dots right side. Okay? Simple logic. What is this called? This is less than. Okay children? Now one more example. 16 dash 21. 16 dash 21. Now you tell me dear, which side it is bigger number? Only you can compare only bigger number only. Which side is there? Left or right side? Okay. First ones and tens. Okay children. Then you compare tens place numbers. 1 and 2. Which is a bigger one? 2. So where it is? Right side or left side? Right side. So you showing 2 dots right side. It's very simple. Are you understand children? Now equal to. Equal to means, see, here 22. Here also 22. See, left side 22 and right side also 22. Both sides we have same numbers, right? In that time you can mention equal to. Equal to. Both side, right side and left side, same number. Okay? That's why we mention equal to. Children, are you understand this topic? Can I go to textbook pages? Good. Children, comparison of numbers. Now I explain now what is the before numbers, after numbers and between numbers, right? Now we do textbook part. Fill in the missing numbers. See, on the number line, here missing numbers are there, but I wrote already here. See, 1, 5, 9, 12, 15. Here missing numbers are there. You can fill the numbers. Okay children, second one. Write that number that comes after. Just now I told no, what is that? Comes after. After numbers means we going to forward or backward. Forward numbers, right? So we can find that numbers only. See, for example, 7 after 8. It is already done. 2 after 3. 5 after. See, 5 after 6. 9 after. What is the number 9 after? 10. Like that you write and the apples. Now write that number that comes before. Means we can find before numbers. Okay children? See, here 9 is there. What is that number comes now before number 9? See here 9 it is there. What is which number comes before? Before means we are coming backward, no? So tell me children, what is the before number 9? 8. So we can write here 8. Now what is the before number 2? What is the before number 2, children? 1, right? Like that you have to write number before 4 and 8. Now fourth one, write that number that comes in between. In between. Between numbers means, just now I told no, in between means middle numbers. We can find middle numbers. Now here 1 and 3 is there. What is it in between number? See, 1 and 3 is here, no? Now we can find which number comes in between. So number 2 comes always in between 1 and 3. Right, children? Now next example here, 5 and 7 is there. Where is it 5? Here 5 and 7. What is it in between number? 6, right? Now 6 always comes in between 5 and 7. Yes? Now like that you have to write these numbers also. Okay, children? Are you understand? Now next page. Now children, look at here. See, comparison of comparing numbers, bigger and smaller. Children, what is a bigger number? What is a smaller number? You know, right? Now see, count and write that number of oranges in both the boxes. See here, children, we have 2 boxes. In the 2 boxes, oranges are there. So how many oranges in the each box? We don't know. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this circle I wrote 12. So in this box how many oranges are there? 12 oranges. In this box how many oranges are there? Can I count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number 10. Yes, children? Now tell me, there are 12 oranges are there in the first box. See, there are 12 oranges are there in the first box. In the second box, how many oranges are there? 10 oranges. 10 oranges in the second box, right? Now therefore the first box has more oranges. Yes or no? Here 10, here 12. So in this box more oranges are there, no? So see, first box has more oranges than the second box. You compare to these box, which box more oranges are there? First box only, no? That's why what we told, in the first box has more oranges, okay, compared to second box. That is that 12 is bigger than. 12 is a bigger than. In other words, 10 is smaller than. 10 is smaller number. Are you understood, children? Now, look at here, children. Exercise 3.1. See. Count and write that number of objects. Label the bigger group as bigger and smaller group as smaller. That first one has been done for you. See, first one is over. But I explain here. See. Here all monkeys are there, no? In the first box, how many monkeys are there? 14 monkeys. In the second box, 12 monkeys. Children, you compare these 2 boxes. Which box has more monkeys, dear? In the first box. Why? Because here 14 monkeys are there. Here 12 monkeys are there. Right? Now tell me dear, which number is bigger number? 14. Which number is smaller number? 12. Like that, in the first box has more monkeys. Yes? So in the first box more monkeys. Otherwise, say second box has less monkeys are there. We can find like that only. Okay, children? Now, in the second one, see what is that? Cows. We have 2 boxes are here, right? Can you find? Okay. Okay, I can find. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In the first box, how many cows are there? Number 13. Right? In the second box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So, in the second box, how many cows are there? 15. Now tell me children, which box have more curves? Tell me children, here 13, here 15. Which number is a bigger number? Then you can write in these boxes. Which number is smaller number? You can write in these boxes. Okay children, you only can write after the class. Now, second one. See, ring the smaller number. See here children, first one has done already here. 15 and 18 is there. Which is a smaller number? That only you have to ring, means circle. So it is over. Now here in this second one, 20, 10. Which is a smaller number? That only you circle it. Okay children, like that you have to do these all. Okay. Now third one, ring the bigger number, like that only. In these boxes you can find which is the bigger number. That only you have to circle it. First one I has done. Second one, 18 and 12. Which is a bigger number? See, 18. Right? How can you find 18 only bigger number? Yes. We compare first one, tens place numbers. But here tens place numbers only one is there. After that we go to ones place numbers. Right? Here ones place numbers 2 and 8 is there. Which is a bigger number? 8 is a big number, no? So totally 18 is a big number. Like that only you do these boxes also. You can find which is the bigger number. That only you have to circle it. Are you understand children? Now, see children, symbol for bigger than and smaller than. Symbol of bigger than and smaller than. Children, here we have same. Here two boxes are there. In the first box 12 oranges and in the second box 10 oranges are there. Right? See, fact 5. In writing the bigger than symbol, the broader end points will fact the bigger number. So bigger when it is bigger number, in the time we can mention greater number, greater symbol. This is symbol of greater than. This is symbol of greater than. It is here now. Symbol for greater than. This is the greater symbol. Okay children. Now when we compare 12 and 10. Now we compare 12 and 10 no. So which is a bigger number? 12. So we can use this one only, bigger number. Okay children. Bigger number means greater than symbol. This is the symbol of greater than. Now here see. One more like that only. See, in writing the smaller than number, smaller symbol, here we can find which is a bigger number. Now we can find which is a smaller number, which is the smaller number. In that time we can use less than. We can use less than. This is less than or smaller than. Less than or smaller than. See, when we compare 10 and 12, 10 and 12 we compare. Which is a smaller than, which is a small number? 10 only, no? So we show like that only. This one only. Because this is a smaller number. Okay children? This is less than and this is greater than. Okay children? Two ending points showing left side, always this is greater. Two ending points showing right side, this is less than, means smaller than. Okay children? Now see. Here note is it very important note. Greater than and bigger than convey the same meaning. Now I told no, greater number and bigger number we compare equal. Next, similarly like that, less than and smaller than also same meaning. So this is a smaller than. Like one more name, what is that? Less than. Okay children? Now symbol for equal to. Equal to means, see, here bananas are there, no? Can we count? In this first box 12 bananas. In the second box 12 bananas are there. So we compare these two boxes, equal bananas are there. Here 12 and here also 12. So equal, same bananas are there, same number bananas are there. So there are 12 bananas in the first box and 12 bananas in the second box. That both boxes have equal number bananas. See, those boxes have equal number bananas. In that time we can mention equal. See, this is equal. What is this? This is equal. See, this is right as 12 equal to 12. Okay, children, are you understand what is the greater than and what is the less than and what is the equal to? Now, children, see. See, exercise 3.2. Compare the symbols using greater and less than or equal to. The first two have been done for you. Okay, children. See here, 11 and 12. In the first box, 11 and 10 is there. Which is the big number? That we can use only greater number. Okay, children. Now look at here, children. Which is the bigger number? That's why only you can mention 2 dots dear. It's very simple logic. Okay. See, which is the big number? For example, here 20 is there. Here 19 is there. Next, one more example. 32, 48. Third one 18 and 12. Now tell me, children. See, which is a bigger number? We compare these two numbers. Which is a bigger number? How can you compare? First one, ones, tens. Ones, tens. Okay, children. First, you can mention tens place values. After that, we compare first one tens place numbers because we have 2 digits now here. Here 2 digits and here also 2 digits. That's why we compare first 10 place numbers. Tens place numbers. Tens place numbers. So here 2 is there, here 1 is there. Which is a big number? 2. So this is a bigger number. When it is bigger number, that side showing 2 dots. That side showing 2 dots. 2 dots. Okay, children. Now here 32, 48. Which is a bigger number? Compare these two numbers. First of all, we can mention place values. After that, we compare tens place numbers. Okay, children. Here 3 is there. Here 3 is there, here 4 is there, no? Now, see, wait, Nana. See, 32, 48. 32, 48. Now, first of all, we can mention place values. After that, we compare tens place numbers. Tens place numbers, 3 is there, here 4 is there. Which is a bigger number? Which is a bigger number? 3 or 4? 4. So, this is a big number, no? So, this is a big number. This side showing 2 dots. This side showing 2 dots. Okay, children? It's very simple logic. Okay, don't confuse. This is called greater than and this is called less than. Okay? Now, see, look at here, children. Like that only. Second one, 18 and 25. It is over, no? See, less than. See, which is a bigger number? 18 and 25. Here in the tens place 2 is there, here 1 is there. Which is a big number? 2 means 25 is a big number, no? That's why it's showing 2 dots. Are you understand, children? Like that. Now, see, one more. 12 and 19. 12 and 19. Now here comparison. First we can mention ones place and tens place. First of all, we can compare only tens place numbers. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Then we will go to ones place numbers. Here 2 is there, here 9 is there. Which is a big number? 2 or 9? 9. So, this is only big number. This is only big number, no? That side showing 2 dots. That side showing 2 dots. Okay? It's very simple. Now, see here. 20 and 15. Which is a big number? Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Ones are tens. Ones tens. Okay, children? Now, here first we compare tens place numbers, no? That's why here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Which is a big number? 2, no? So, this is a big number. That's why this side showing 2 dots. Okay, children? It's very easy logic. Okay? Don't confuse. Now, like that, see. Here 14 and here also 14. Both sides are equal number. In that time, what will come? Equal. Okay, like that you have to do these all numbers. Okay children, are you understand this topic? Thank you.